Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to connect your Ecwid store with CJ Dropshipping. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you'll be able to log in. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after doing so, logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where the left side screen you can find all the options that you have, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and take a look at how to connect to CJ Dropshipping. Basically guys, it's not as easy and straightforward as some other options, such as connecting to AliExpress, where you can just go ahead and use an application that you can connect. So what we're going to do guys is go into the apps section right here, the left side screen, and open up the app market. That's going to open up this new marketplace with all the applications you can use. So guys, for some other options, you can directly use applications for connecting, let's say AliExpress, but for CJ Dropshipping, we need to go a different route. What we're going to use is search the Bind Commerce application right here. Searching for Bind Commerce in the upper left corner in the search bar, this is going to give you this application that you can use, that you can get started for connecting to your other stores, such as Shopify, as you can see, and so on. So basically guys, you will need to go ahead and use your Shopify store, WooCommerce store, or whichever store you have, where you have connected your CJ Dropshipping option, because Ecwid does not support CJ Dropshipping. So you want to use this application to connect it to your different store from which you have connected to CJ Dropshipping, and then you'll be able to import your products from there directly into your Ecwid store. So by installing the application, you'll have the install option right here once you upgrade to the premium plan for Ecwid. So once you do that, you can connect it to some other website to connect directly from there to CJ Dropshipping and add the products to your store. And basically that's how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.